how to enable repost of your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable repost of your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here you will find libraries. Click on it, and then click this one here. This one, click on your profile in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then just scroll down. Here you will find the repost of your post. If you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.